guest, Peter Vanderzee, with Lifespan Technologies, President and CEO, talking about predominantly ways to save our infrastructure and maybe extend it a little bit in terms of stretching it and finding out ways to find out what the actual condition of it is. Peter, we had talked about that with a call from JoJo a little bit ago, and the issue came up about the cost of a particular bridge or of a road, and the fact that the paving may be bad, there may be problems with the paving, but that could be taken care of pretty quickly. But in a lot of cases, what you're saying is with these sensors they're showing that the real core of the thing, the bones of it, they're probably in a lot better shape than what we think they are.
That's absolutely true, Dan, and we've been proving that now for the better part of 16, 17 years. It's just amazing that when you get the actual performance data from the structure itself, and you've used a good analogy there, the skeletal system, if you will, is a lot stronger than the visual inspection would indicate. You know, the folks that do the visuals might look and say, well, there's a lot of rust and corrosion, and we've lost some strength, and yeah, that does happen, but you can't tell how much visually. And you have to put a sensor on a bridge that can gather the information with the accuracy levels that I mentioned earlier. Then you have a really good idea of what's going on. So it's the difference between the blood pressure cuff and the MRI. Analogy.